Hello guys, good morning. This is Suhail Khalik Pinjari. Today's date is 16th of April 2022 and today video topic is Java and JavaScript. Difference between Java and JavaScript. So let's start. So we well known about Java. Java is developed by uh, Sun Microsystem and its developer's name is James Gosling in 1995. JavaScript also uh, developed in 1995, but it is developed by Netscope company and its developer name is uh, its developer name is Brendan Each. So this is both language are developed in same year 1995. So mainly Java is an object oriented programming and uh, JavaScript is object oriented programming script. JavaScript Java gives us a multi-threading. In the Java, multi-threading feature are available, but in JavaScript, we does not use multi-threading, and like multi-threading does not any feature like multi-threading is available in JavaScript. So in a Java, we compile our bytecode file, but in and in Java compiler is present, but in JavaScript their compiler does not present. There is a only interpreter present and interprets the program, but in Java compiler compiles the program when run. Uh, when next one is in a Java. Uh, Java in the help of Java we create so many applications like web application, mobile applications or desktop application, but uh, JavaScript is used in only and only uh, web application development of web applications. And Java's uh, in Java code file is convert in and save as a .java, and JavaScript file is saved as a .js. So next one is in Java. Uh, we in Java is a platform independent language, but JavaScript is need to it, JavaScript is a browser dependent language. Java is a stand uh, itself, but JavaScript is stored in HTML. So Java is used to develop backend projects or backend projects, and JavaScript is used to develop front end projects like web development or some other things. So this is a main difference between Java and JavaScript. JavaScript is combined with HTML or CSS. Like JavaScript is if we talk about JavaScript, So JavaScript, in a JavaScript, HTML and CSS also present. HTML is a CSS is the design of designer of JavaScript. HTML, CSS is a work like one designer. When we create a web development website and web developing website, or when we work on web development, at that time CSS is a work like a designer, and Java's HTML is is work is with the help of HTML we increase the beauty of our web development and our websites. And the JavaScript is the main engine, and JavaScript is the main engine means JavaScript is a main functional language to use to create a website. So this is all about Java and JavaScript, the difference between Java and JavaScript. Okay, thank you.